here we are on the maximum limit, okay? The barrier stays as it is, okay? It stay on place, no problem, okay? We can cut water. Antonio, where are we today?
We are in the Odivela station. It's the end of the yellow line. Here, 2 years ago, we have a flood. All the water enter in the station and damage the lifts.
Okay, we are ready, so it's done. So now we can launch the water.
It seems to me that the product works very well. It's easy to deploy, easy to transport, easy to deploy. And our idea is to have this solution, train our personnel.
Lâche. Okay, but on places where it's really, it's very efficient.